An author and performer from Hamilton is paying tribute to one of Jamaica's most celebrated icons.
She's paying tribute to Miss Lou through performance and a new book. CTV's Carol Charles reports.
A celebration of Black History Month headlined by Tanya Hernandez. The visit became a very lively dance party here at North York General Hospital's Seniors Health Center. It was also a chance for Hernandez and her alter ego, Tanya Lou, to honor the iconic Jamaican performer Miss Lou through her act.
When I'm on stage, I just feel airy. I feel good. It's a vibe. It's like old time days, you know, Miss Lou, ring ding mean communal joy. Ring ding, when you come together, the African culture is all about communal joy.
Hernandez was first introduced to Miss Lou as a child in her homeland of Jamaica, where she used to see the groundbreaking actor on television.
She teach them the folklore, the music, the folk music, the poetry, little dances, riddles, like riddle me this, riddle me that, guess me this riddle and perhaps not.
Do you ken John Peel at the close of day? Do you ken Oh yeah.
Miss Lou, whose offstage name was Louise Bennett Coverley, was a performer, poet, and folklorist who helped promote the Jamaican language patois worldwide.
They did not say, do you know John Peel? They said, do you ken?
If we never preserve the patois, we would never remember the history. We have a wonderful heritage, songs, riddles, poems, and our amazing language, patois, which stores our people's character. We have been speaking it for over 400 years.
It's a message that Hernandez continues to share through her new book.
Ya Yai, Miss Lou, voice of the Jamaican people, speaks about the indomitable spirit of Miss Lou, who had to overcome a lot from the status quo to tell everybody and the colonialists, listen, you cannot take our self-worth and sense of self. Our language has the voice of our ancestors in it.
While the book gives insight into the life of Miss Lou, Hernandez says her onstage presence gave Jamaicans a pride in their own language and culture in a land dominated by colonialism. And she hopes to continue that legacy through her performances.
It gives me a sense of satisfaction to know that people embrace other people's culture.
That energy and enthusiasm is shared by many residents here at this long-term care home.
We're not only focused on looking after their medical care, we're also focused on looking after their psychological and their social needs.
Dirty tough, life is hard.
Miss Lou died in 2006 in Toronto, where she lived for years. But her legacy remains in good hands. Part of the proceeds of the book will support the Louise Bennett Coverley Festival and the Jamaica Foundation Hamilton. Carol Charles, CTV News.